Henry Sneeze, Part 5, Green Engine of Henry. Henry, the Green Engine, Part 5, Henry Sneeze. One Saturday afternoon, Henry was puffing along as his coaches had hung behind him. Then they came to a bridge. Peep, peep, hello. But there were boys on the bridge, and they didn't take his number. Ow! Ooh! Ooh! Henry stopped immediately. The boys didn't wave and take his number. They thought it fun to drop stones on Henry. I just came back from the wharf 2 days ago, and I'm already dented, and my paint's already scratched. That's just life for you, Henry. Well, better take the train on. We'll see what we can do about it tomorrow. Call the police! No. Henry puffed away. We'll think of a plan on the way. Then, an idea flew into Henry's funnel. Ideas can fly. What's you, driver? Wait a minute. Driver, I think I got a plan. Now what is it, Henry? Henry explained the whole plan to his driver. The driver agreed. They knew they could do this. Not teach the boys a lesson. Bang them out for what they had done to the old Green Engine. Later on, the next day, they were heading towards the bridge. Henry's driver had told them to keep all windows shut until they were going past the bridge. Henry could spot something above the bridge. It was the boys. They all had stones. Henry knew what to do, though. He striked. Sneeze all I tell you to, old boy. And no! Certain dirt Henry had covered not just the boys, but Henry too. Well done, old boy. Well done. You showed the boys a good lesson now, haven't you? The driver had promised to clean Henry down after the big sneeze. And ever since then, the drivers told Henry not to sneeze on the bridges again. I'm pretty sure he will want to do that again. Teach some other boys a lesson. And also, they didn't just teach the boys a lesson. They also taught boys a good lesson as well about whistles and sneezes.